Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to do a grocery haul, and yeah, I have exciting items again. Not exciting items to me. Yeah, stick around and you will see. What I can say to you is that last time I shared with you the tin stuff jar all brand mince meat. I enjoyed them and I bought them again. Kindly subscribe for that. I bought them again, but last time I bought two flavors, savory and the curry, so I enjoyed the curry more. This time I bought two of the curry. The savory is, I don't know, you need to give it a taste of your own, because it says just warm and eat, but no, I'm gonna advise you to make your own taste, revamp, renovate, like give it a new look. That's what I can say about them. So I enjoy them. I bought them again. So how have you been? How have you been? And I am so excited today. Litlo bona gore na why? Litlo bona gore na why? So in the meantime, let me pick up my groceries, and in the meantime, you guys are subscribing, you guys are liking, you guys are sharing. Let's go. But for TikTok live, tata screen, things like that. So let me take my groceries and show them to you. Yeah, that will be all. So this is everything that I bought, and yeah, I don't know if it's Christmas or what, but we have new colors of plastic bags from Checkers. I always do my groceries at Checkers, and they gave me those colorful plastic bags. Normally we do green, as always. So this is the display that I have on the table. Yeah, this is everything that I have now. I will start from this side. I've got the microfiber duster cloths. This is 30 rand each. I love them. The ones that I have, they have finished, and they haven't been good to me. And this time I bought large eggs, 30 times 2, because it was, yeah, I thought I was saving. It was 174 when I add them together. And the juice, the schools are opening, so I bought these two juices, packs of 6 pack of them. This is just a dozen. And I have bread. These are always here. I bought 3 of them. And the coffee, I'm the only one drinking this thing. And the Oros, we both love Oros in this house. So I went to the shops with my son, and he wanted a cake, so I bought a mini cake. You know, guys, we eat and finish it just like that. Then I have paper towels. I still have 4, but I just decided to add more, two more, because they'll be finished. I don't want to go around looking for them when I don't have money anymore. And then the toilet rolls also, these ones, they were on sale, but I still have 6 left in the house. And the Skin, guys, you guys, let me tell you, this foam bath, I've been using the house brand for Checkers, and sometimes I switch on to the Renew label, but this was on special and it's the best ever. Now we are using Skin. It is the best ever. Price determines quality, guys. I don't wanna lie. Then apples as usual. The ultra mel custard. Custard, Andre. Yeah, I think it's a custard. The vanilla flavored custard. It's a custard. Then the baked beans, I bought 3. Then this is onions. I didn't buy much of the things because some I refilled earlier on. Then I have blackheads, this one has to be there. Then I bought this Colgate herbal, but this time it has got white healthy gums white. It's a herbal white. Normally I just buy a normal herbal. Then I have sweet potatoes again. I do enjoy them. I've decided I will cook half so that I can eat and finish. Then I will eat half. I'll cook half sometimes. Then I bought one of these roll-ons, and I bought two of these pads. Two ladies in the house, me and my daughter. I have this pure soap, about two. Then I came across this Mr. Shin Oxy Ultra Wash Stain Remover. I just want to give it a try. I've seen on some clothes, I need to really take care of them, and me washing them with my hands, it's not gonna happen. Then I have tennis biscuits. Why are they on the side? And then I have Mexican chili. This is for me. And this time I bought this smoothies sweets. I have also bought the noodles beef. These are 4 packs. And then guys, you know, I have puppies, so I bought them this for them to be playing. What are this for? Yeah, toy. This is a toy. I bought 2 of them because I have 2 puppies there. Then the mince that I told you about with vegetables is this one. It is so nice, guys. I don't want to lie. You can try it, and don't dwell on, simply hit and enjoy. Give it a taste, because the taste that is here now, I personally do not enjoy it. But when I give it a renovation, some construction, I get to enjoy. And this, as usual, is Bull Brand. I bought 3 of them. And then I have also bought the peas. So I don't know, I just wanted to buy them. For what? I don't know. I will see what to do with them. And guys, yo, big moment. Guys, you can laugh at me or do whatever you want to do, or no, I don't care. I bought myself a blender. I always wanted this. So this blender is 299. The power input is 300 watts. You know, guys, I have to check this kind of inputs and output. And it has 2 jacks, like it is saying. I haven't opened it. I will open it sometimes, maybe tomorrow when I try it. And yeah, it says it has got 2 sets of jar and lid, capacity 750 ml. I do not complain, because there are 2. If I made too much of whatever I'll be doing, I'll transfer to the other jar. Then yeah, here it's whatever it's in the box. 2 speed settings. The stainless steel blade, BPA free. I don't know, I don't want to know, as long as I have the blender. Guys, I have a blender. With my situation, I do have this. Guys, clap hands for me, pat me in the back. I just bought this. Yeah, I'm so excited about this one. Also, I'll have my smoothies, I'll have my juices the way I want them. Like, basically the things that I want, I'll have. Basically whatever I want, I'm going to have. Guys, I'm going to have things that are more in my heart, with passion. I will have, be it small, as long as they do the job. I do not mind at all. I don't mind. So I am so excited about it, having a blender in the go. Seriously, I am so excited. I just hope it will work, like last me until maybe for a year. I always bet my things for 12 months. Yeah, 12 months is enough because the warranty for almost everything is 12 months. Some they rob us and give us 6 months, but warranty for most of the things is 12 months. But I'm not gonna use it every day. Yeah, so you guys subscribe for the blender, like for the blender, as we are going to do smoothies, as we are going to do go massive. It's getting massive in this house. It's getting massive in this house. We are not gonna feel the village pressure. We are modernizing it, guys. Ne? Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my. Some of you may say blender is a basic. For you, not for me. It's luxury. I'm so happy, guys. It's not expensive. It's 299. So that's the smallest I can get because of the power that I have. Yeah. Now my situation is depending on other things. Do subscribe to my channel. I've been saying do subscribe. I hope you are subscribing. I do hope so. And thank you guys for the engagement that why do I forget to thank you? Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the love that you have showed me on the previous videos. The past 2 videos. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your time, and yeah, continue to show me the love, and God will bless you for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.